Kasala don dey burst inside the Synagogue Church of God. And I know say since when TB Joshua die na in this church, e be like say they don dey hear different things. The last time the wife go pursue some people. Now as we hear am, the woman don come outside say they wan appoint new leader. And make una come guess who she appoint as the new leader. Na herself. Madam Evelyn Joshua don talk say na she go be the new leader and overseer of the Synagogue Church of God. Now why they surprised? You will be say God no call you. All of a sudden now you don't turn to pastor. But anyway, as this woman come outside come talk this one, now there some members for this church talk say lie e no go happen over their dead body. Say how be say person will be say God no call, will be say since when you don't do where your husband dey. You never come outside carry mic say you dey preach the word of God. Now when be say your husband don't die, now you can't decide say you want turn to pastor. Say it no go happen, and say as they look this woman, she just won't enter this position because say wait, say she won't go thief money. I can't want people. Oh, I know they fear person will be say she don't deal with her husband sis. I beg if she want thief money, she for don't thief and no be now she go come outside say she won't come thief money. But me I reason and say TB Joshua for come outside at least before him dying, right in wish I been in wish. Okay, now this person go take over this church. Because me I don't talk and say as this man die, kata go happen. Things go happen for inside this church. Because it be like say as this woman even pursue those girls where they talk say they even take, it be like say the thing no even go well with the church members. Because now just some of them self come they come and say since when this woman enter, she don't change all the laws. Say some kind of way even she just start to change everything. But yes, now maybe as the man day before, the way when like her, she as she day here now, she don't like the things. Then now wetin make her now come decide say she no wan go take am. And I sure say some members say for that church just because say na woman won't come dey rule them, na wetin dey vex them. Are they very certain? No be say because of say God no call her. Because now I know say some people they go the reason say how they go dey, woman go come dey take over. But me, I understand these church members. Then they talk say whoever go even fit take over, e suppose be person will be say don't they act as pastor with TB Joshua. The time with TB Joshua dey, whoever be pastor will be say the assistant. They follow and preach. At least now they suppose appoint. No be person will be say just dey for one side. They manage in life. Go come outside one day say she won't come the turn to call pastor. But me, Auntie Madam Eunice, I don't talk and say just wait. No impose anything on anybody. Whoever they want, may they choose. No be say you go dey decide say now by force now you go be this one. Unless say you self get motive inside this place. So I beg just leave them as they run am before as TB Joshua know them. Make another pastor take over. They preach the preaching. Now the same God now all of us they serve. So I don't see why you now won't come take a person. And I don't talk for this Nigerian. By the time where other pastors and go come out, the kind problem will go happen inside this world. The kind problem will go happen because now go the surprise. Say the kind where church go just scatters. The kind where things go just destroy. And I hear say inside synagogue now. Even their members don't they reduce. People don't stop till they come to church because say TB Joshua no dey again. But the woman don't claim say she know they claim overseer. It just be say now she want they take the leadership of this church. And they don't they beg other Christians when they come this church say I beg make na help this church grow. Say no be say because TB Joshua know they now all of na come decide say una no go they come again. So make una they come and I go still they see the miracles where they happen then say it go still continue to they happen. But anyway this matter me and no as na want to settle down. Then na court na go carry and go. I been a board meeting na go do over who go take over. But until as they thought say they no want you, just step down. May they appoint person where they want as their new leader. Anyway, my viewers, I go end down here for today. Make una stay tuned for our next story.